from the depth of my heart, Adedotun. It feels so good to finally be getting married to my good and perfect gift. You're everything I ever wanted, and I promise to love you for the rest of my life. I love you, baby. Let's blow this shit.
First, let me say to you, I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I dey pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. You know, say every day I dey pray for you. Oh, in my heart today is a permanent place for you. That's why my heart it a beat like do. Cause now you I choose, so I am family.